While if users could interact with any Avalanche subnet without worrying about gas tokens. Today, every subnet can define its own gas token. That's powerful, but it creates a huge onboarding barrier. If a user wants to try a new subnet application today, they must breach access, acquire the Subnet Gas token, and only then send their first transaction. For many users, this process is confusing and discourages exploration of subnet applications. But what if user didn't need to manage gas tokens at all? Instead of sending transactions directly, users could simply sign an intent, and the system would handle execution and gas payments automatically. We built Subnet Gas Station, a gas abstraction infrastructure for the Avalanche ecosystem. It allows users to interact with subnet applications using a single asset like USDC, while a relayer network executes the transaction and pays gas on their behalf. The system consists of 4 core components. First, an application portal where users interact with subnet apps. Second, an intent contract on Avalanche C-chain, where receives user intents and logs assets. Third, cross-subnet messaging powered by Avalanche Teleporter. And finally, a relayer network which executes transactions on the destination subnet and pays gas. Together, these components form a gas abstraction layer for the Avalanche subnet ecosystem. Let's look at the demo. In this example, we integrate the decentralized exchange DEX lot, which runs on its own Avalanche subnet. Our user only holds USDC. Importantly, the user does not hold the Subnet Gas token. The user initiates a swap from USDC to a lot. Instead of submitting a traditional transaction, the user signs an intent. Once the intent is submitted, the system sends a cross-subnet message via Avalanche Teleporter. A relayer picks up the intent, pays the required gas on the DEX lot subnet, and executes the transaction. And just like that, the user successfully interacts with the subnet application without holding its gas token. Subnet Gas Station is designed not just as a user portal but as developer infrastructure. Developers can integrate gas abstraction directly into their applications using smart contracts or a simple SDK. This allows any subnet application to onboard users without gas friction. This is Subnet Gas Station, gas abstraction infrastructure for the Avalanche subnet ecosystem. Thank you.